Our garden is coming along nicely. I'm Marcy McDonald with Pacific Northwest Suburban Homesteading. Today Scott and I brought in a few peppers and tomatoes. We are still on vacation, rather a staycation, here on the homestead, but gardens wait for no one. A couple of weeks ago, we had a bunch of tomatoes nearly ripe. Scott has been doing his part by breakfasting on the garden, but now we are at a point where we need to start using and preserving our peppers and tomatoes for more than just fresh eating. Tomato sauce is definitely in the offing. I'll probably use the lower effort freeze method from our tomato sauce 2 from Frozen to Slow Cooker video. I also have a new to me piece of equipment this season, a food mill. Shauna and I found it in a thrift store. I'm looking forward to trying it out. The Chinois I have works great, but I'm always looking for better ways to do things, so I like to experiment and try new methods. Then we'll likely pour the strain pulp into the slow cooker to cook it down. Sometimes we use the quicker cooktop method, but if we aren't in a hurry, we usually opt for the slow cookers instead. I haven't decided whether I'm going to freeze tomato sauce cubes and then vacuum seal them, or run a batch to the water bath canner. Maybe a little of both, since I have more tomatoes ready to pick soon. The pepperoncini peppers are a new experiment for this season. Scott doesn't like mushy pickled peppers, so we are trying a batch of fermented pickles instead of running them through the canner like the last time I grew this variety. Next, we are likely going to make refrigerator pickles when we have enough to process. Usually these are used before they turn red. I thought the variety I had would turn yellow, and I didn't realize my mistake until I had a bunch of red pepperoncinis. We are pickling them anyway, and we will see which Scott likes better, the grater ones or the fully ripe peppers. I also have quite a few sweet peppers, including a new variety of heatless jalapenos called nadapinos. Most are conventional sweet bell peppers though. Some are green and others have a little color coming in. We left most of the ones turning red or yellow on the plant, so they will fully ripen before we bring them in. Some of our sweet peppers will be used fresh. Scott made chili, for instance. The rest will be cut up and frozen. We have a video on that as well. Now, all of those jalapenos have two main uses other than going into the chili or other dishes fresh. Of course, some will be frozen much like the sweet peppers. The rest are going into Cowboy candy Relish. That's where most of the nadapinos will end up as well. The hot peppers this season are a bit hotter than usual, and the heatless peppers will even that all out in the Relish. I'm sure there will be no surprise when I say we have a video about Cowboy candy Relish too. Anyway, that's an update on what we are up to for the moment. I'll soon be back at work recording and editing our regular how-to style videos. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, be curious, keep an open mind, and never stop learning.